So awesome. I can't wait. This is the cutest thing ever. I love the farm. You guys did amazing. Perfect.
We've already nicknamed yourself.
I love it.
You guys don't have to. We are.
Straight up, Addie Jr.
Alright, well, I'll probably miss you actually. Like.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Thank you so much. Have a good to see you. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Bye. What up, guys? What's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. Fucking it. Thank you. Thank you so much. What's up, guys?
Dude,
what's up, my man?
Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you too, bro. Why you got him? You staying safe with the mask?
I'm playing safe, dude.
Yeah,
It's been a tough couple years, but yeah, I brought something for your kiddo too.
Okay, what'd you get?
All right,
Let me sign those.
No, these ones are for you.
Oh, sick.
So that's for the baby. That's for the kiddo.
Okay.
Those are yours.
Okay, sick.
And then I also got for the 722 family.
No way.
Tic-tac baby. 7. So, and what's funny, dude? Yeah, congrats. I'm happy.
Thank you so much.
And then what's funny is on this one. Yeah, on this one you'll probably dig this one because it's got a lit kit. This is the lit kit right here. He's Mr. Lit. So,
how awesome!
So you got
is
that, dude, for the kiddo.
Wow, that's
turn this
really
around.
cool.
So there you go, brother. Yep, he's got his presents, the baby present.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
dude. Love you, bro.
You're looking good, bro.
Thank you. So far, so good.
I like
Thank
the
you.
braces, the look.
I know.
So this is for you. But oh yeah, here, throw it all in the bag.
Hey,
dude.
thank you so much.
But I did want to get a couple of signs.
Oh, so I'll sign anything you need, bro.
Sign it on the dirt, Adam.
Absolutely.
Yeah, sign it on the dirt. Yeah, these ones are for me, bro. But I did want to bring you.
Thank you so much for getting me some. I can't find them anywhere.
Remember, I sent you that message.
Bro, I
and
can't
was like,
find them anywhere.
Yeah,
like all the local Targets that I have, they're like all gone.
Thanks, Adam. Good luck.
Dude,
Good to see you,
so
bro.
Much,
good to see you.
Good to see you too, bro. Always a pleasure.
Stay fast, bro.
You need me to sign some stuff? Dude, this is so sick. Are you excited? Where do you want me to sign it at? On the top. Have you got to ride the track yet? Yeah. No? It's gonna be awesome, dude. What's the secret? Be smooth, okay? And don't try to override the track, okay? Just roll the throttle on, be smooth, and try to be as fast as you can rolling the jumps. Don't worry about doing big stuff, just go as fast as you can through the jumps, okay? What's your name, bud? Kit. How do you spell it? K-E-T-T. Perfect. That's a pretty cool name. You think?